Matterform Studio, Atlanta, Georgia. 4,500 sales. Good logo. I would recommend a banner image. What's up, Brett? Good to meet you. Okay. Store policies, reviews. This is all good. 21 items seems a little bit low. You generally want 20 is the bottom, but if you can get more on Etsy, it helps you a bunch. Pricing, I'm going to say too, if you're about $9, you're probably a little bit underpriced for Etsy. Ooh, a hockey puck mount display. That's good. You're getting margin on that one. That's what you want. An AeroPress filter press, good. The Amazon Echo Show stand, I would make that more expensive because that looks like multiple parts right here. Let's go in here real quick. The design looks great. The engineering of it looks really good. With 3D printed product photos, it's really tough to make 3D printed parts look good when you go in close like this because people are like, layer lines. Just pull it out a little bit further and have a little bit more diffuse light, and it's better that way. You can get better stuff or a better looking aesthetic there. Because like that part, that looks fine. And I can zoom in on this, and again, it looks fine. It looks textured, and you can see the layer lines in the bottom and top on there, but it doesn't look, you don't overemphasize it because that is an unfair photo of a 3D printed part. Like it looks like it printed probably at like a 0.3 resolution here because it's a chunky piece. But I would say that this part could probably be $29.99. And yeah, you could get a little bit more charged out of it. And the product description looks good. Colors, multiple colors. Yeah. Hey, with black and white, this is really easy to, if you're getting tired of printing them out, you can go ahead and plug them into our Shopify or our Etsy plugin. We have a Shopify plugin too, but the Etsy plugin. And this way, he doesn't have to worry about printing and shipping them himself. You can focus in on design of new products and taking care of your customers and refining things like here in the description. This is a really good description. Good length, detail about it as far as the dimensions. Reviews are feeding in and are all good here. Doesn't look like there's a review of this product. So it might not be a seller, even though it's in a number of people's carts. This type of item, this is good. That looks like good margin. Dyson, a nozzle adapter. It's a Dyson vacuum cleaner. This can be more expensive. Make this like $19, depending on what the value is. A Dyson vacuum cleaner costs $400. Price your stuff appropriately so that people value it appropriately. But black and white, good. Don't give too many colors. People don't need it. Although Dyson has like an orange, I believe, for a lot of their vacuums that would be really cool if you could activate that here. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, good description. Again, free shipping gets you higher in the rankings. So when you're billing straight for shipping, that's okay. But if you give your store free shipping, Etsy likes you more. So that's a good thing to do. The photography here again, this is a really good product photo. This is a really good product photo. These ones in context, really good product photo. That's weird. Dude, yeah. That time of the month. Good product photos. Those tees. Oh, this golf ball mount is cool. That's a nifty product. But yeah, overall, really good stuff. I would say increase prices. You can refine product photos a little bit more. Like I like that one more. Well, that one's pretty good. This one is probably the best because it's simple and clear. But a Cricut mat holder, oh man, I think you could sell a mess of those. Why aren't you? Make sure you have a video on your listings, even if it's just a wall hook, because it will improve the search ranking again there as well. I hope you sold a bunch of these. Good. You sold a few of these. You probably sold up to about 40 of these, I hope. These are the types of things you want. Really nice, clean, simple. This one would cost like maybe $2 or $3 or something to print through like the print on demand plugin. And then you don't have to worry about the printing and shipping. Again, you get to focus on designing new products so that you can build up the quantity of products that you have on Etsy so that you can be competitive and you don't have to worry about people taking this design and running with it. You can just keep on making new, better stuff, and all the backlog, the back-end stuff is taken care of for you, like the printing and the shipping. Because like with our plugin, whenever an order comes through on Etsy, it shows up in our print farm, we print it and ship it out to you. Sign up for it or something. Down in the description, we'll have like an affiliate link code, and if you sign up with us, then you can go ahead and get $10 for your first part off. That way you can buy this clip and check our print quality and that kind of thing. That's a really easy thing to do.